Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Cool Mint mouthwash. First, pour the recommended amount, usually around 20 milliliters, into a cup. Next, empty the cup into your mouth and swish it around with force. Make sure the mouthwash reaches all areas of your mouth, including between your teeth. After about 30 seconds, spit the mouthwash into the sink. Remember, do not swallow it. For best results, always brush your teeth thoroughly before using mouthwash. This helps remove food particles and plaque, allowing the mouthwash to work more effectively. After brushing, you can rinse your mouth with a small amount of water, then proceed with the mouthwash. It's also a good idea to wait at least 30 minutes after rinsing before you eat or drink anything. Cool Mint mouthwash is excellent for killing up to 99% of germs that cause bad breath. Using it twice a day, once in the morning and once at night, can significantly improve your oral hygiene. This consistent routine helps maintain a clean feeling and provides fresh breath that lasts for several hours, boosting your confidence throughout the day. Always store your Cool Mint mouthwash in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight, to maintain its effectiveness. It's also crucial to keep it out of the reach of young children, especially those under 6 years old, to prevent accidental ingestion. For more great tips and deals, including a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, be sure to check the description below this video. We've got some valuable resources waiting for you there.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.